Welcome guys. Let's do Chili's token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of Chili's is 67 and price of Chili's is 44 cents right now. It is Ethereum based token ordered by Certic. Market cap of Chili's is $2.6 billion, which is very huge. And fully diluted market cap of Chili's is $3.92 billion, which is very good. 24-hour trading volume of Chili's is 354 million. Circulating supply of Chili's is 5.9 billion. And maximum and total supply of Chili's is 8.8 billion. And let me please show you all-time high and all-time low of this token. All-time high of this token was on March 13, 2021, about 9 months ago, and price was 89 cents. And all-time low of this token was on September 27, 2019, about 2 years ago, and price was 0.004001. And Chili's return on investment is 1951%, which is very huge. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Huobi Global, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance and other exchanges, then this is the link of Binance exchange. Click on this link or create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus. You can also get this token on Huobi. This is the link of Huobi Global. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $170 absolutely free. These bonuses are absolutely free and tradable bonuses. Total bonuses are $5,680 bonuses. Just click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. Trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you first chart. This is Chili's USDT 4-hour pair, and it is in this descending channel. This is upper trend line and this is downtrend line, and this blue line is main center line, and this blue line is acting like a support and resistance. Here you can see price is at 43.9 cents right now, and it is at top of this blue line. Maybe price can retrace to this level, this zone, and after hitting this zone price can go up. This will be the possible scenario, and I think it can easily hit this 46 cent to 47 cents price area. Once it broke this area, this price level 47 cents price area, in that case next target will be this area 53 cents, and after that this area 58 cents, and after that this area 59, and after that this area 65 cents. These all are immediate short-term targets, and if price broke this level, in that case maybe price can go down to retest this zone again, which is 41 cents price area, but I don't think so. I think it can easily hit 41 cents maybe, and after that it can go up. This is the possible scenario. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is very less volume. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is missing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and that is not a good sign, and this is indication that maybe price can further go down. Let me please show you RSI. 4-hour RSI is below 50, and it is a bearish sign. And MACD crossover towards downside, and red towers are coming. It is also indication that price maybe can go down. And let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart of Chili's, and it is main trend line, and it is main support line is at 41 cents price area. Main resistance is at 45 cents price area. There is a tiny resistance is at this area, and this is at 48 cents price area. Once it broke 48 cents price area, in that case next target would be like this. This will be the next target, and it is 56 cents price area. And once it broke this area, in that case 59 cents, 65 cents and 71 cents, these are immediate short-term targets. But unfortunately, if it broke this horizontal support zone and this downtrend, this main trend line, in that case there is a good support is at this level, 34 cents price area. But I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. I think price have to move towards upside after touching this. Here you can see every time when price touches, price moves towards upside. This is the indication maybe price is ready for the upside movement in daily chart. But for this we have to wait until it broke 48 cents price area. Once it break 48 cents price area, after that price definitely will go up. Let me please show you volume. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is missing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are still in this EMA ribbon, and that is not good sign. Once candle closing above 46 cents price area, this will be the sign that price will go up. Otherwise we have to wait. And let me please show you daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 48 and daily MACD is at crossover towards downside. Maybe we may see some consolidation, but I don't think. I think price have to hold this area. This area is very important, 41 cents price area, and after that it have to go move towards upside. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator, and it is very important indicator. This is CPR indicator. Unfortunately candles are below from this CPR indicator, and this CPR indicator is starting from 49 cents price area to 45 cents price area. Once candle closing above 49 cents price area, this is the indication price definitely will move towards upside, and these blue dots are monthly CPR targets. Once it cross this area, 49 cents price area, after that these are the targets. These are bullish monthly CPR targets, and these are the targets: 56 cents, 68 cents and 77 cents. Let me please show you weekly chart, and here you can see it is struggling to break this area, 44 cents price area. Once it broke this area and close weekly candle above this, in that case next target will be, according to the support and resistance base, next target will be like this area. $0.71 cents price area. But before this it have to break this area, 44 cents price area to 45 cents price area, 55 cents price area, 65 cents price area. These are the targets. 55 cents is our first target, 65 is our second target, and 71 cents is our third target, and after that fourth target is 94 cents price area. And if I measure this from top to bottom by this favorite retracement, in that case here you can see, let me please zoom this, here you can see it is struggling to break this 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is at 46 cents price area. Once it broke this area, next level is 0.5 Fibonacci, which is $0.55 price area. After that 0.61, which is at 64 cents price area, and it is golden pocket. And once it break this, it can break 0.78, which is 0.77 cents price area, and so on. And if I calculate the target and if I do this, I think it can easily hit this area. This will be the maximum target for me. I think it can easily hit $1.5 to $2 price area. This is very realistic target for this token in this bull run. These are main targets. I think it can hit these targets within this bull run. I hope you like this video. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your crypto community and friends. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of Binance, Phemex, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi and FTX exchanges, Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These are absolutely free bonuses and tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.